In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate image on CapCut PC. So first, I need to import an image from my computer. So I'm trying to click on purpose. Uh, this is my image. So I want to drag and drop on timeline. So that's it. So now select this image on timeline. Then you can see here is a uniform scale, and here is a small things like add keyframe. Just click here, then again just doing here is on. It's automatically doing add keyframe. That's like this one. This one, this one. Okay, this is good. So now here are the middle. So I want to it skip up the figure. Okay, if I playing the first one, you can see my image are animated. So this is the method how you can animate image on CapCut PC. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you're going to take care. Goodbye.